Can you jerk chicken in an oven?
I never heard of that before.
No.
At home?
Yeah.
No. No, that's a baked chicken. Baked.
Yeah.
Jerk when we put it on the pan.
Can you jerk chicken in an
I
oven?
don't jerk chicken now.
And that's the challenge for today. I am going to see if my friends can figure out if my jerk chicken was really jerked on a char grill pan versus my lovely oven. Ding! Enough talking. Let's get cooking. Work with it. So I think there are two main factors in jerk. There is the cooking method and the seasoning. I have the seasoning down, but it's questionable how I'm gonna get the smoky grilled flavor. I think I have an idea as to how to do it, so let me show you. I'm gonna take these babies and create a little canopy or a little bed of leaves for our chicken to grill on or roast on. We're gonna see if we can create some smoke with these. That's the theory. Jerk, jerk, jerk.
Hey, dirt.
That is my jerk dance. All right, guys, we're gonna cut this chicken in half like a butterfly or spatchcock. I know it's so weird. It's a weird term, but bear with me. And basically, we prefer, like my husband and I prefer when we're home to do the chicken this way. It's just easier to handle, less tossing and turning. It takes a little bit longer to finish to cook through, but that's fine. I love how it presents on a buffet table. I get to chop it up nicely after it's finished cooking, and that's it. Handy blender. 1 cup. So with this recipe, which you can see at the link below or somewhere on the screen, the best jerk marinade. Not vinegary, we don't like the vinegar. Let's go. Just pour it on. All right, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That's it. Let's stick this in the fridge. So I spoke to my mom because I first saw her doing jerk chicken in a toaster oven at home, a little small one.
I smoke it in the toaster oven.
Right. So
Yeah, I broke up the pimento leaf them and put them inside of the oven, so on the grill part of the oven, and then put the chicken on the top part, and when the oil drip down on the leaf, then they start getting the smoke, and you get the smoky flavor from the jerk chicken.
yeah, so you put the chicken on top of the leaves. So you say make a bed of leaves.
I make sure the chicken is half baked in the oven already.
Yeah.
Put it in the toaster oven, and you can sprinkle some red stripe on it while it's smoking.
Yeah.
You put the chicken on the grill itself now, the grill in the toaster oven, and the leaves at the bottom. So when it's time the oil drip from the chicken, you get the smoke keep rising inside the toaster oven.
So essentially, the first thing is to pre-bake your chicken, get it to about 80% cooked. The second step is to smoke. We're gonna use the pimento leaves to put on the bottom of your oven so that it can get really hot. Oven should be at 400, so you're gonna crank it up so it can create that excess heat that we're looking for. And then we're gonna put the chicken directly on the oven tray, not a regular baking tray, the oven tray, so that we have a lot more air and room for the smoke to permeate the chicken. And then you're gonna spritz with beer to keep the chicken moist as the smoke penetrates the chicken. As you know, the smoke has a drying effect. So we're just gonna spritz with the beer to add flavor and also add moisture to our chicken so it doesn't dry out, because we hate, no one likes dry jerk chicken, okay? Try at your own risk and don't let kids be anywhere near while you're doing this in your kitchen. Technically, the theory is that it should work. It's worth a try, at least once.
Alright, let's do it.
Yep. Well marinated, look at that. So that smells really jerky. Oh, I love this probe. Very convenient. Instant read thermometer. You gotta get yourself one. I'll put the link in below. I'll put the link below so you guys can grab one too. It's very handy. Just quickly check the temperature here. I'm gonna stick it in the thigh. See how far we're at about. Yeah. So we're gonna smoke it now and just bring this bird up to fully cooked. This is exciting. Are you guys ready? Excellent combination right here. Perfect combination for pastas as well. All of this have the pimento oils in it, you know? And a little water in it for a little moisture, so, and it won't burn too fast on us. So that's why we use the green leaves as opposed to fully dried leaves. You get me? In here smells like pimento perfume. That's smoke, guys. We need to get this chicken in before it burns off. I feel like dancing. This is so exciting. Oh my God. I can't wait. Jerk, jerk, baby. Jerk, 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 baby. All right, guys, it's time. We're here. I brought my friend Nakata over to try our juicy piece from the leg right here. There you go.
It's juicy, really, really, really juicy. Like typical, you would never find typical jerk chicken this juicy.
Would you classify this as jerk chicken? A nice jerk chicken.
It's jerkish. It's not jerk up front.
Okay.
It's jerk in the back. It seems juice in the front.
Yeah. So it's more juicy. The texture.
Yes. It does have a smoky taste. It tastes jerk on the outside, and then on the inside is like juicier, way juicier than a jerk chicken would
Yeah.
be.
This is just smoked for 10 minutes. So it's moister and it's less smoke.
Can
I taste
Yeah.
I would definitely smoke it for longer because it tastes good right now.
It's delicious.
But it needs more smoke flavor. And it's there. But it's not like in your face kind of thing. I want it to be like.
All right, guys. I think we were successful. We got a decent jerk. I like to call it rotisserie jerk. My final verdict is I think we definitely could have smoked it for longer. It's a big oven, so the chicken didn't get all of that good smoke in it, even though you saw how much smoke it was smoking everywhere. But that said, the flavors are there. If you're away and you're longing for a good jerk, this is as close it will get in an oven. And yeah, I think you'll enjoy. There is a smoke hazard. It's gonna get pretty smoky, but it is possible. I would stamp this as mission possible. With that said, these are a couple things that I've done better to improve, and that is to first, I would put the leaves on a tray so that it's just easier to remove once we're done with the smoking process. Next, I would smoke the chicken for a lot longer. We did about 10 to 12 minutes. I would put this bad boy and smoke for about 20 to 30 minutes actually. Because it's such a big oven, it definitely needs more time to get that smoky flavor. I probably wouldn't have wet the chicken so much with the beer, just because people may think that it's too close to a texture to rotisserie or a baked chicken. So I would just be more mindful of not over saturating our chicken to keep it moist. That's my take. What's yours? Let me know in the comment below if you could come up with a better hack. It was fun. Thanks guys for journeying with me in this crazy experiment.